Hey guys, this is Azir, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to tune your guitar into double drop D tuning. I previously showed many other tunings. If you need them, go check out my channel. And if there are any other tunings you would like, just leave a question in the comment section and I will try to get back to you. So for this tuning it's going to be DADGBD, and we're only going to be changing two strings, the lowest string and the highest string. And make sure you're always tuning downwards, and this way you won't damage your guitar strings. And I don't want you guys to break your strings and stuff. So go ahead and select the low E string on your app, and then hit the low E string on your guitar. And make sure this number over here is around -20. It doesn't have to be exact, but get it close. And the next string, make sure it's like in standard tuning, make sure it's green. Same for this next one. Same for this one. Again, the same. That's a bit off, but I'll fix it quickly. There we go. And for the last, the high E string, do the same exact thing again. By the same I mean go -20 again. And -21 is fine. So there you have it, that's double drop D tuning. And I'll go through every string again just in case. And there you have it. Congratulations, you're now tuned in double drop D. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Peace.